Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Alexa app and connect smart plugs step by step clearly. Open your smartphone's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Alexa. Press the search button or icon. Locate the official Amazon Alexa app in the search results. Tap the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, find the Amazon Alexa app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You will be prompted to sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you will see the main dashboard of the app. On the bottom menu, tap on the device's icon. Now, select the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Add Device from the list. Scroll down and select Plug. You will then be prompted to choose your smart plug brand. Follow the on-screen instructions specific to your brand. Ensure your smart plug is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Your smart plug may need to be set to pairing mode. Usually, this involves pressing a button on the device. Follow any prompts in the app to connect the plug. The app will search for your device. Once detected, select your smart plug from the list. You may need to enter your Wi-Fi network information. Ensure your smart plug is compatible with your Wi-Fi network. After entering your Wi-Fi details, tap on Connect. Wait a moment while the app establishes a connection. Once connected successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.